Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to do the base conversion, like the number converting from decimal to binary, octal to hexadecimal, and so on in the scientific calculator. And in this video, I will also talk about how to do the number conversion for a number like this, which contains the decimal point inside it. As well as I will also talk about why these two expressions are not same. As we know that the number A, capital A in hexadecimal is same as the number 10 in decimal. But why we cannot directly substitute the value of the A as a 10 in these expressions? Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about these things. First of all, let's talk about some points to remember while doing the base conversion in the calculator. Please remember, base 2 means binary, base 10 means the decimal, base 8 means octal, base 16 means hexadecimal. And let's do one example. Let's convert this number 145, which is in the decimal base. Here the base is not written anything, so we have to understand this base is decimal base. We are going to convert decimal 145 into the binary number using the calculator. For this, first of all, we have to go to the mode. Let's press the mode, and here in the mode we can see in the number 4 the base n. Let's press number 4, and here we can see DEC. Our number is 145. We are going to convert this number into binary. So our input number 145 is in decimal number. So first of all, we have to select the DEC format, which is already selected here, DEC, because our input is in decimal number. So let's give the input, which is 145. Our input is 145. We are going to convert this 145 into the binary, and let's store this 145 as a decimal by pressing equals. Here we can see DEC 145 means this 145 is stored as a decimal number. We are going to convert this decimal into the equivalent binary number. For that, we have to search for BIN. BIN means here in the calculator BIN is written here. This means this is binary, and let's choose this button to convert into the binary. Here this number 145, which was stored as a decimal, is now converted into the binary. We have to neglect all the zeros in front. So the binary equivalent of 145 is 100100001. Like this, we can easily convert the number of the octal number into the hexadecimal. Let's convert this octal number into the hexadecimal. First of all, we have to store the number 175 as a octal. So we have to select the OCT. Let's search for OCT, that means octal number. Now the mode is in octal, and let's give the input 175, and let's store by pressing equals. Now 175 is stored as a octal number. We are going to convert this into the hexadecimal. So let's search for hexadecimal, HEX, and let's press it. Now 175 in octal number, 175 in octal number is now converted into the hexadecimal as a 7D, and D means here 13. D represents 13 in decimal. Like this, you can easily convert the number from one base to another base. And let's talk about this decimal number. In this calculator, we cannot convert the number written in decimal format into any base. We cannot directly convert the numbers like this into the another base using this calculator. Okay, and let's talk about the third agenda. Here these two expressions are not same. Let's talk about why these two are not same. Here the capital A in hexadecimal represents the number 10 in decimal, and first of all let me show you what will be the result, what will be the decimal result of this hexadecimal in this calculator. Let me just store the hexadecimal. Now calculator is in hexadecimal, so let me just press 5 and then A. Here is A, and press equals to store. Here 5A is in hexadecimal format, and let me just convert this 5A into the decimal number. Okay, now 5A is equivalent, the 5A in hexadecimal is equivalent to decimal 90, and let's convert, let's do the same thing for the number 510. Please remember 5A in hexadecimal is equivalent to 90 in decimal, and let's convert, let's do the same thing for the number 510. Okay, let me convert just, let's store this 510 into the hexadecimal. So let's press hexadecimal and let's give the input 510. Now 510 is taken as a hexadecimal number. We are going to convert into the decimal. Okay, and let's search the DEC. Okay, now the 510 in hexadecimal, 510 hexadecimal is equivalent to 1296 in decimal, but the previous result was only 90. So we cannot directly substitute the value, the decimal value of these alphabets. If the alphabets is written here, we cannot directly substitute the value of this alphabet. Thank you all of you for watching this video.